The Ford Ranger has long been a symbol of toughness, adventure, and reliability. In 2025, this legacy continues, but not just for adults. Now, children can experience the thrill of driving with the latest Ford Ranger ride-on toy. Designed with precision, safety, and fun in mind, this miniature version of the iconic pickup truck offers kids an exciting and realistic driving experience. This children's ride-on Ford Ranger captures the essence of the full-size truck, featuring a rugged design, powerful battery, and detailed interior. The 2025 model comes equipped with upgraded features that make it stand out from previous versions. From LED headlights to real engine sounds, every element is crafted to create an authentic driving experience. The attention to detail is remarkable, ensuring that young drivers feel like they're behind the wheel of a real Ford Ranger. One of the biggest highlights of this ride-on truck is its powerful battery and dual-motor system, allowing for smooth acceleration and a realistic driving feel. The truck can handle various terrains, whether it's grass, pavement, or small inclines. With sturdy tires and a strong suspension system, kids can enjoy a safe yet adventurous ride. Parents can also feel reassured knowing that this toy is built to last, using high-quality materials that can withstand rough play. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Ford Ranger Ride-On, making it a great choice for parents looking for a secure yet exciting toy. It features a seatbelt, soft start technology for gradual acceleration, and a parental remote control. The remote allows parents to take control if needed, ensuring kids stay safe while they explore their surroundings. This feature is especially useful for younger children who are still learning how to drive independently. The interior of the Ford Ranger Ride-On is just as impressive as the exterior. With a spacious seat, a working dashboard, and even an MP3 player with Bluetooth connectivity, kids can enjoy music while they drive. The interactive dashboard includes functional buttons, a horn, and speed controls, adding to the realistic experience. Some models even include a USB port, allowing children to play their favorite tunes while cruising around. Designed for children aged 3 to 8 years old, the Ford Ranger Ride-On is a great way to introduce kids to the basics of driving and responsibility. It helps develop coordination, spatial awareness, and confidence. Whether they're pretending to go on off-road adventures or simply enjoying a ride around the backyard, this toy encourages creativity and active play. Another exciting feature of the 2025 model is its eco-friendly approach. With advancements in battery technology, the ride-on truck offers longer playtime on a single charge while maintaining energy efficiency. Parents no longer have to worry about frequent recharges, as the improved battery ensures extended driving fun. The charging process is also faster, making it more convenient for busy families. The Ford Ranger Ride-On comes in a variety of colors, allowing kids to pick their favorite style. Whether they prefer a classic black, vibrant red, or sleek blue, there's a version to match every personality. The design stays true to the Ford Ranger's signature look, with realistic branding and details that make it instantly recognizable. This toy truck is more than just a fun ride, it's an experience that brings families together. Parents and children can bond over outdoor adventures, creating memories that will last a lifetime. It's perfect for birthday gifts, holiday surprises, or simply as a reward for good behavior. With its combination of style, safety, and durability, the Ford Ranger Ride-On is an investment in both fun and learning. The 2025 Ford Ranger Children's Ride-On is setting new standards in the world of toy vehicles. With its powerful performance, realistic features, and commitment to safety, it's the ultimate ride for young explorers. As kids take the wheel of their own Ford Ranger, they get a taste of independence and adventure, all while staying safe under parental supervision. This ride-on truck is more than just a toy. It's a gateway to excitement, creativity, and unforgettable childhood experiences.